I covered in snow, so when I left. I work all week.
I know. I've been following your messages and stuff.
Oh well.
And they probably moved it to March because they probably moved it from January to March.
So let you know that's prototypical speed.
I know.
Because you wouldn't see a train hitting 60 mph
At a curve, and it would
curve.
derail.
That sucks. Barely made the switch?
What's that?
Barely made the switch?
Yeah, there's a bump right here that the 56-foot cars can't get over.
There we go.